Welcome to the Sloss Furnace. We are here. It's supposed to be one of the most haunted places out here. Looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and enjoy this. It's very windy and it got rainy out of nowhere. So this is going to be interesting what's about to happen. So let's go. Dude, this is pretty epic though. Yep, it's raining. No. Yeah, it's not bad.
Somebody pulls our legs.
I know. They're like, brain. Did they film The Walking Dead here? Okay, so apparently I didn't hit record. Or actually, no, I did hit record, and I think this thing stopped. Okay, so there's Juan. Say hi again. We are in Sloss Furnace, as you saw earlier, and we're getting some weird, crazy vibes right now. Yeah. That's some weird... Dude, I don't even know what this is.
It keeps going down.
So first time I'm actually doing this, like just gonna vlog everything. It's raining, there's thunder, we heard some weird creaking noises. Dude, I swear I just fucking saw a shadow out there. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, I've never had goosebumps like that before right now. This is crazy.
Dude, over there looks creepy. That side.
No, there's a shadow right there, dude, that's freaking moving.
Where?
Right there, you see the light? And right when it gets dark, it looks like it's slightly moving. Okay, so yeah, we're getting out of here because this is just, dude, you feel that rumble?
That's awesome.
Dude.
That's awesome.
No, dude. Dude, there's like a rumble as soon as we cross that area. It doesn't look like, it looks like maybe it might be drizzling, so we can come over here. This is actually where I hit record originally, and for some reason it stopped. So I'm watching my record thing and it looks like it's still going. But okay, something just ran across over here right now. You saw that. Tell me you saw that.
No.
I'm getting some total weird ass vibes right now.
Yeah, that's not something over there.
Okay, let's come up here. So we're coming outside. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys, but this is some creepy stuff. It's been raining. There's a train going by us. So it's making like some extra noises around here. This is the side of the building here of the Sloss. So we're out in one of the shafts. It's a cast shed is what it's called. It's number 1. And it's pretty insane like how everything is here. Like I'm still trying to learn the history of some of this stuff. And there's an old sign right here too that has like some history of it. The mines, racial violence at Brookside Mines, elevated walk. So you could probably, there's a sign over there that has that. So you could probably imagine how many people died here and what was going on. So it's crazy.
Stop moving a little bit.
Here we are at the hot blast stoves. This is just a whole other level of wow. Literally, wow. but you could definitely feel something here. And I don't know if it's because it's raining and stuff and we hear thunder and all that, but it's crazy. Say again, what'd you say? Ooh. Okay, I think we just reached like a new level of WTF. Go that way where?
That way.
That's the path to get out?
Yeah.
You kidding me?
Yeah.
You are kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. I'm saying that's what we gotta go through.
Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Okay, so apparently we're going through. I was gonna go back around the other way, but apparently we're gonna do this. Ooh, that felt like a cold chill right there. I don't like this one bit. I don't do this creepy ghost hunter thing for reasons. But this is some next level spooky stuff right now. You have some of the furnaces, you got some of the stuff here. Go ahead. This is just, looks like there's some stairs up here to go to the top. And see, he doesn't want to go too far away from me because he's scared too. As he says no, and he's like 5 feet away from me. Okay, so this is the other side. You could kind of hear the rain again.
Yeah.
But
Climb up. You wanna climb up?
crazy. Look at this.
Oh.
And okay, we found the door with the giant puddle. Power stock room, stock tunnel, stock room. Here's the powerhouse. And I think we're heading on just about the end of the tour here. Here's the opposite end of that. It's crazy. What was that? Okay, now it feels like just like things are moving around here. Look at this tiny. It's crazy. I gotta say. And there's more things that, oh no, that's locked out. That's locked out. Yeah, some very intense history here. Very, very intense history here. So that back window looked like there was something that was looking. It's crazy. Starting to rain again. Look at my hair. Looks like I have gel in it. Have you guys heard of this place? The Sloss furnaces. It's some pretty intense history here. Ooh, this is cool. That's super cool. Yeah. It's pretty, like you could feel the history in this building. You could feel everything that's happening here or happened here. But man, this place is unbelievable. If you guys get a chance to come out here, come out and check this place out, especially if you guys like this stuff. Look at this. Look at that.
I hate looking into like dark rooms and you don't know what the fuck is in there, you know?
Yeah.
You just feel like someone's in there watching.
Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys appreciated this video. As always, you guys take care of each other. Be safe. And we'll see you guys in the next adventure.